Hey everyone, this is Jake with Lusky Lawn Life. Behind me I got a couple different pieces of snow equipment. You guys might be thinking, snow equipment? That's right, today we are testing our Scag Windstorm to see how it performs in snow. Is it a good snow blower? Can it be used for a sidewalk machine? How does it compare to our hybrid? How does it compare to the classic walk behind or a shovel? We have about 2 inches of snow. So we got a test swat in front of the shop with the sidewalk, 2 inches. We're gonna see which one of these is the king of sidewalk snow blowing.